Friends, today your new topic is a staffing. It's a class 12 business study. Once again, I will explain about the features and what is the importance of staffing in our organization. Dear students, we know planning, organizing, two topics we had completed. They are very important part of our business organization. Same, we are reading here today about staffing, and staffing is also very important part of our business organization. With the help of staffing, we can able to achieve our goal and company will also get a success. Behalf of that, staffing is also very important part. That's why we are reading here today and I am explaining you, and that is the important part of the syllabus. So once again, come on the here, meaning of staffing. So today we are going to read and you have to listen about meaning of staffing. Staffing consists of manpower. Once again listen. Staffing consists of manpower, planning and requirements. Where I am going to underline it, these are the very important parts and topics. That's why I am underlining you in front of that. These are the things you have understood. If any problems will be there, you have to revise it. That's why I am making underline, because these are the very important topics. Staffing consists of manpower, planning, requirements, selection, training and compensation. After that, promotion and maintenance of managerial personnel. With the help of that, our staffing process is very important. Before that, I have told it's a very important part of our topic, because between that, how many red lines are underlined, all topics are coming inside in the staffing. That's why staffing consists of manpower, planning, requirement, sections, training, compensation, promotion and maintenance of managerial personnel. With the help of that, we can know this is the very important. Behalf of that, we can able to make a planning. With the help of planning, we can do staffing. Requirement, behalf of that, we will make staffing. According to training, compensation, production, we will make staffing in our companies. Staffing is a very important part of our companies and business organization. Behalf of that, we are getting a lot of activities and success. And next meaning, according to Del Yoder. According to Del Yoder, we will read meaning of staffing. Personal management of staffing is the phase of the management which deals with the effective control and use the manpower of human resources. With the help of that, we can say, with the help of staffing, we can able to use manpower. Without staffing, we can't able to use anyone. Okay? With the help of staffing, we are giving a job a lot of peoples. A lot of peoples are coming in our company and doing a lot of works. Behalf of that, we can say we are utilizing their manpower. Once again listen, according to Del Yoder, personal management of staffing is total phase of the management which deals with the effective control. Once again listen, which deals with the effective control and use of manpower or human resources. With the help of staffing only, we can able to do this types of each and every work. That's why both meanings are very important part for you. You have to write and make a note. Once again listen. Meaning of staffing. Staffing consists of manpower planning, requirements, selection, training, compensation, promotion and maintenance of marginal personnel. This is the also important meaning. And second one is written here. Personnel management of staffing is that phase of the management which deals with the effective control and use of manpower or human resources. With the help of that, we can say, with the help of staffing only, we can able to use manpower and human resources. Otherwise, if you not put a staff in our organization, we can't able to use it. With the help of this organization, with the help of these human resources, we will complete our staffing work. With the help of staffing, we can able to achieve our each and every goodness and good success in our company. Next one is the importance and need of staffing. Now come on the fourth topic, importance and need of staffing. What is the importance of staffing? Why it is the important part of our organization? What is the need of staffing? We will read inside. So first one is the filling the role by orbitant components personnel. With the help of staffing, we can fill each and every requirement of the companies. Where is the role of human resources? Suppose in our company, one staff is less, then we can't able to do each and every work in the proper way. That's why we are completing our staffing work. Okay? First we have to give a job to other human. We will utilize their human resources. We will utilize his manpower. With the help of that, fill the role by obtaining component personnel. Suppose in our company, few posts are available there and that post no one is there, then first we have to staff. We have to need some staff, then we have to follow our staffing process first. We have to fill that role. Otherwise, we can't able to do our work in the proper way. That's why it is a very important in our staffing. Now, second one is planning right person at the right job. With the help of staffing, we can able to make that plan. Otherwise, placing, we can give a place to right person at the right job. Suppose if I have a vacancy of a coordinator, then with the help of staffing, we can able to place a coordinator at the place of right job. Okay, that's why placing right person at the right job, it is a very important part of our staffing. With the help of staffing work only, we can able to place. Okay. With the help of staffing only, we can able to place a right person on a right place. Clear? Next one is the growth of enterprises. Growth of enterprises. Staffing is showing its importance role. In the growth of enterprises, staffing is very important. We need staffing in the growth of enterprises. If they have no staff, no staffing process is there, the organization will never grow. After that, optimum utilization. Next one is given here, optimum utilization. Behalf of importance of staffing, we can able to optimize, otherwise we can able to utilize our each and every work with the help of staffing. That's why it is a very important part of our staffing. Okay. Now next one is given in front of you. help in competing. For example, in our company few staffs are there, they can able to make a competition. With the help of staffing, the competition should be also there. They will work hard to show their talent. That's why help in competing, because competition is a very important part in our organization and everywhere. That's why competing is also helpful for our staffing work. Next one is given in front of you. Here, in-person job satisfaction. What is the job satisfaction? With the help of staffing process, we can able to satisfy and we will get job satisfaction more and more. Otherwise, we will improve it. The improving should be there. With the help of staffing, improves job satisfaction. When we are getting a job, we will improve ourselves and satisfaction should be also there. That's why with the help of staffing, when we are giving the right place and the right person, otherwise we can say right person at the right job, on that time we are getting satisfaction. And last one is given in front of you. Key of effectiveness of other function. Key of effectiveness of other function. This is the important key. With the help of that, other function also we can able to achieve. That's why with the help of key only, we can open each and every one law. We know very well. Okay? You also know and full universe each and every one law about it. With the help of key only, we can able to achieve, we can able to open any law. That's why we can say staffing is also very important key. With the help of that, we can able to effective to other function. We can able to achieve other function also with the help of staffing. So that's why, dear students, in front of you I have written meaning of staffing and importance need of staffing. So once again you have to write and make a note and listen my voice once again. Once again I am repeating it very shortly. In front of you I have written meaning of staffing. Staffing consists to manpower, planning, requirement section, training, compensation, promotion and maintenance of managerial person. And next one is that according to Delhi order, personal management of the staffing is that phase of the management which deals with the effective control and use of manpower or human resources. In front of you, next one I have written importance and need of staffing. First one is filling the role by obtaining complete personnel. Second one, placing right person at the right job. Next is the growth of enterprises. Next one, optimum utilization. And after the next importance is given here, help in competing, improves job satisfaction. And last one is given in front of you, key of effectiveness of other function. So dear students, make a note and write it and revise it well. If you are in confusion, you have to ask me once again in next class. Otherwise give a comment. Otherwise subscribe